Hello, this is Dr. Usman, and I'm going to talk about a very famous thing that we all have come across at least once in life. And there is a historic context of that. That one apple a day keeps the doctor away. That is a fact. That's not just a saying. Let me just start from here. Number two thing is I want to say that it is going to affect everything in your body. Basically, in general, everything in your body is going to get benefit from taking one apple a day. And we all know many people around us who have passed away from this world, who died from heart attack, heart problems. So if you take an apple a day, it's going to reduce the risk of heart problems quite a bit. Not 100% because you do need other medications, but it's going to reduce the risk. Number two, it reduces your inflammation. Number three, it lowers your blood pressure. Blood pressure is one of the leading problems in the world today. It's also something that leads to stroke. It's something that leads to heart attack. It's going to lead to many problems. For example, I see people who go blind from high blood pressure. I've seen people getting stroke and dying from the stroke or getting crippled for the rest of their life. Antioxidant properties of the apple are going to protect you from a lot of health issues. So if you're young and you're taking apples, it's going to keep you young because it has antioxidant properties. It's going to keep your skin fresh. It's going to help you a lot. Number Another important thing, maybe number five or so, that it lowers the risk of the cancer. It's proven to be effective against cancers, especially one of the leading cancers in the world, even in the United States. It's colorectal cancer. It's your colon that gets cancer, and many people die. And apple has been proven to be effective against that big cancer and many other cancers. So it's really good to take an apple a day. Let's just summarize like that. So, and it helps in losing the weight. It adds fiber, and I would suggest do not peel off the outer covering of the apple. Eat it with the covering. That helps a lot because it has fibers, it has antioxidant properties, it has iron, it has a lot of things. And I was coming to the iron point here. And if you have digestion thing good, you are going to help with the weight loss also. So if somebody is trying to if somebody is trying to do the weight loss things, he should take an apple a day as well. So iron is really good, and it's in a huge quantity in your apple. So especially for women, iron is really an essentiality. So, and it helps form your blood. So therefore, uh, you should take an apple a day. I'm coming to the same point. Take an apple a day. Take an apple a day. Bone formation. It's really good for the bone formation. So therefore, athletes are told to take an apple a day because you need strong bones, you need strong spine, you need strong, every bone. Let's say boxer needs really strong these bones because they get hit all the time here. So an apple a day is really good for them. So bone formation is another important thing for them. It slows the brain aging. That's the game changer. That's the game changer. Let's say if I started taking apple at the age of 5 or 7 or 10 or whatever, and I am expected to have Alzheimer's disease at the age of 80, let's say, Apple is going to reduce that chance. It's not going to reduce it to zero, but it's proven to be effective in delaying the onset of dementia, Alzheimer's, because it reduces the oxidative stress in your brain. And that's the oxidative stress that leads to all of these problems that lead to the aging of the brain. So you need to reduce that oxidative stress, which is proven to be effective and controlled by Apple. So apple a day is really good. Another important thing is it's been proven to reduce the risk of asthma. Asthma, it's so common these days, especially in children. So apple a day is going to be really good for peds population as well. 28%, this is the game changer right here. 28% risk reduction for type 2 diabetes has been proven in the people who take an apple a day. So try to take an apple a day because diabetes is going so fast. It's like an epidemic. It's like an epidemic. People, even I am scared. I don't have diagnosed diabetes right now, but I'm always scared of getting diabetes. But 28% risk reduction with an apple a day, it's really good with type 2 diabetes. Again, All of these things, all of these points are preventive medicine. If you have diabetes, that does not mean that you take apple and you stop taking insulin or metformin or whatever medication you have been prescribed. No, that's not the thing. I am talking about preventive medicine right here. So reduce the risk of cancer, reduce the risk of inflammation, reduce the risk of blood pressure, reduce the risk of stroke, reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, have strong bones, have strong, immune system, help reduce the cholesterol and reduce the weight, have a healthy weight and avoid the unhealthy weight. All those things are helped by the apple. And if you have more comments or questions, please ask me. And thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.